So this is how you can save and fix your battery health on your iPhone. You're going to want to open up these settings and then go down until you find battery. Simply tap on it and now tap on battery health and charging, and here we go. So as you can see, my maximum capacity is at 86%. Now this isn't necessarily a good thing, but at least it isn't 80 below. Basically, this means that it only charges up to 86%, even though it displays 100% if I charge it at full speed. What that means is I've been damaging my battery due to how I use it. So how do we fix this? Well, you can start by doing the 20-80 method. If your phone drops down to 20%, charge it immediately and don't use it until you get to 80%. This is the 20-80 method, and it ensures that you're not overusing your battery and basically protects it. That is the most crucial part, the 20-80 method. But if you want to do other things, you could also try clearing out your storage, that could help, or basically turning off other apps that you're not even going to use, or just simply stop using your phone so much. That could help in saving your battery life and making sure that your phone is up to date. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.